Chili pepper consumption linked to reduced risk of cardiovascular disease and cancer mortality. Introduction. The potential health benefits of chili peppers have been the subject of growing interest in recent years. Capsaicin, the compound that gives chili peppers their characteristic spiciness, has been shown to possess anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and anti-cancer properties. A number of studies have suggested that chili pepper consumption may be associated with a reduced risk of chronic diseases, including cardiovascular disease and cancer. New research findings. A recent study, published in the journal Heart, analyzed data from 4 large, international studies to investigate the relationship between chili pepper consumption and mortality. The study included over 570,000 individuals from the United States, Italy, China, and Iran. The researchers found that individuals who consumed chili pepper had a significantly reduced risk of all-cause mortality, cardiovascular disease mortality, and cancer mortality. Specifically, chili pepper consumption was associated with a 26 relative reduction in cardiovascular mortality, a 23 relative reduction in cancer mortality, a 25 relative reduction in all-cause mortality. These findings suggest that chili pepper consumption may be a simple and effective way to improve overall health and longevity. Possible mechanisms. The exact mechanisms by which chili pepper consumption may reduce the risk of chronic diseases are not fully understood. However, capsaicin has been shown to have a number of beneficial effects on the body, including reducing inflammation, improving blood sugar control, inhibiting cancer cell growth. These effects may contribute to the protective effects of chili pepper consumption against cardiovascular disease and cancer. Implications for public health. The findings of this study have important implications for public health. They suggest that increasing chili pepper consumption may be a simple and effective way to reduce the risk of chronic diseases, including cardiovascular disease and cancer. This is particularly important given the high prevalence of these diseases worldwide. Conclusion. The evidence suggests that chili pepper consumption is associated with a reduced risk of cardiovascular disease and cancer mortality. This may be due to the capsaicin content of chili peppers, which has a number of beneficial effects on the body. Further research is needed to confirm these findings and to elucidate the mechanisms by which chili pepper consumption may protect against chronic diseases.